Hello, my name is Kevin McDonnell, and I'm the Undergraduate Program Director for the Computer Science major at Stony Brook. In my role, I advise students, help develop curriculum, and I also teach some of our 100 and 200 level CS courses. So if you decide to study computer science at Stony Brook, there's a pretty good chance that we'll meet each other at some point during your first year. Now, what is computer science anyway? There seems to be a popular perception that computer science is merely the study of computers, but that isn't really accurate. Computer science is the study of problem solving with computers. In fact, you may have heard the term algorithm. An algorithm is a solution to one of these problems. It's a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem or for performing some task. And when I say problem, I don't mean math problems. I really mean any kind of challenge that we face in society where a technical solution can be afforded. This is the domain of computer scientists. Now, if you decided to come to Stony Brook to study computer science, not only would you learn how to develop software, but you'd also be studying quite a bit of mathematics, in fact. You'd also look at the hardware of the machine, at the level of circuitry, how it works. And you'd also be exposed to some of the so-called systems areas of computing. This includes computer networks and operating systems. So you get quite a comprehensive education on many different aspects of computing and computing technologies. Now, what does it take to be successful in CS? I get this question a lot. Well, certainly being a creative person, because you are going to be creating software after all and solving problems, having a certain level of curiosity, being a self-motivated person, having perseverance to push through times which are tough, because they do come when you're studying a hard field like computer science. You have to be a person who just loves solving problems, you love puzzles, you love a good challenge. If these sound like some kinds of qualities that you have and it sounds exciting to you, then hey, maybe computer science is the right field for you. Now, once you've graduated, you'll be set up with your degree from Stony Brook to hit the ground running, so to say, and to really start off with a great career in maybe software engineering or web development, database administration, data science, or a whole host of other technical fields where our graduates have seen terrific success. To help you land that first job, Stony Brook has job and internship fairs several times per year usually. As you can imagine, these are very well attended by our students, but also by employers. In fact, each semester we have to turn away at least a few employers simply because we don't have room to host them. So that will give you a sense of just the high quality education that our students receive from us. A lot of our undergraduates also get involved in research activities. So if this sounds like something that's of interest to you, be aware that these opportunities do exist. Students who have the right motivation and the right skill set can get involved with research projects. And these can be great opportunities for students to create lifelong relationships with their professors. Stony Brook also has lots of extracurricular activities for our CS majors, and there are many different clubs, in fact, that host events throughout the year. I've just listed a few here on the screen. But basically what it comes down to is if you have an interest in getting involved in activities outside the classroom, whether it's research or extracurricular work, there's lots of opportunities to do so. So at Stony Brook, if you decide to come and study computer science with us, you'll be rewarded by having expert faculty teaching you about the latest technologies. You are going to receive a very rigorous education that will prepare you for success in the workforce right after you graduate, or even before you graduate in an internship. We also have excellent computing facilities and really provide a very good return on investment when you think about it. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope to see you in the fall.